This is a moral play, so listen to it with full intent. Every man has been someone as our lives come to an end. The purpose of the show is much more than one thing. It is so sweet to bear away. Man doesn't think about consequences before he commits a sin. All he can think about is how glorious and sweet it is while committing it. Let this play open your eyes to how neither fellowship nor both strength, pleasure, and beauty stay. Now the play begins with God summoning every man to the general reckoning.
On thee thou must take a long journey, therefore thy book account with thy bring. For turn again thou cannot by no way, and look thou be sure of thy reckoning. For before God thou shalt answer and show thy many bad deeds and good but a few. How thou hast spent thy life, and in what wise, before the chief Lord of paradise. Have adored what we were dear, and what way. For wit thou well thou shalt make none attorney.
Every man, stay put. Where are you going so happily?
Why are you asking? Who are you?
Wait for a moment, sir. I am sent by God.
What? Sent for me?
But you have forgotten your Creator. He thinks about you. You will see it for yourself. You need to present your reckoning.
Reckoning? I am confused.
For a long journey. Once you start a journey, you can't turn back. You will show your good and bad. So make sure to bring your book of account. He will judge you how wise you have spent your life, and there will be no attorney except him.
I am not ready to present my accounting. What messenger are you though?
I am death itself. My job is to send a summonings to everyone.
Oh, death? You came when I was least expecting you? Please be kind enough to save me. Is there any way to get out of this? Will £1,000 be enough to make you come summon our day?
Bribe me every man. No pope, king or prince can bribe me. I can get whatever I want by, but my nature is contrary. I take nothing except the every man.
This is so unfair. I did not get a warning. Just by thinking about you, I am getting sick. I am not ready yet to present my accounts. Give me 12 years and I will make my records so clear that after 12 years you come and I have no fear.
Hurry up every man. There's nothing you can do. Once you begin, there's no turning back.
Have mercy on me. Can't I have company on this journey?
Anyone is interested in joining, of course.
Please spare me. I will surely come with you when you come for me again.
I will not agree to do so, every man. You will be no exception. But for some time, I will go away. Clear your account and search for your company. I am just here, right at the corner.
I can do nothing but cry. My account isn't ready. I have no company to accompany me. I am miserable right now. What good will I show to God? I'm starting to get scared. I think I should ask fellowship. He will certainly accompany me on this journey.
Good morning, every man. What's wrong? Why do you look so pale? Tell me.
Yes, fellowship. I am in great misery.
Tell me, every man. I promise I will not abandon you.
That is very kind of you and loving. I want you to accompany me on a journey.
I'm your true friend. Of course, I will accompany you on any journey.
It's a long and a dangerous one journey. Okay, I have to present my account of deeds in front of a high judge Adonai. Thank you so much for accompanying me.
Words scare me, every man. What do you mean by it's a one-way journey?
Nay, there's none.
If that's the case, I'm sorry, my dear friend, but I cannot accompany you anymore. Who brought the message though?
Why, death was here with me.
My God, if death was a messenger, I would most certainly not come, not even for my father.
But you promised me that you would come.
If it was about being eating and drinking and some good times, I would have come running towards you. If you had to murder someone, I would have gladly helped you out.
Please, fellowship, help me in my necessity. We have known each other for a long time. Please help me out.
Whether we were good friends or not, I won't come with you.
My fellowship abandoned me even after making all the promises. It is said that only true friends come to your aid when you are having a problem, and yet my dear fellowship abandoned me. Who will agree to accompany me on my journey? There must be someone. My kinsmen will most certainly. Family regardless of your situation. Yes, I'm sure my kinsmen won't abandon me.
Here we are, my cousin. Now tell us, why do you call upon us? What's the matter?
Thanks for coming. Now I will tell my story. I have been summoned by the Heavenly King to present my account of deeds, and for that I need someone to accompany me. And I thought, who would be ready than my own kinsman?
What is the account about though?
About all the good and bad deeds of mine will be judged by him. He will judge how I lived my time on earth.
I'm sorry, but I can't go. If you want, we can ask a woman from our clan, but I cannot go. Cousin, my answer is the same. Don't take it harshly, but we won't be able to come with you on this journey. I have cramp in toe. I most certainly won't come. Sorry.
Just tell me clearly, will any of you be able to come with me on this journey?
We are so sorry, but we will take our farewell now.
Oh Jesus, save me. My kindred promised me they will see me till the end, but when it really come to it, they left me alone. Even fellowship did the same, but I am most scared about is my account of deed. My whole life I have loved riches. If anyone can save me right now, I think it might be old goods and riches. Where are you?
You called me, every man. Why in hurry? I was just out there lying in the corner.
Come here, my beloved goods. I need your help. My time on earth has come to an end, and I am supposed to go on my way to show my account of deeds in front of Heavenly King. Please come along with me, because as saying goes, money makes everything right.
I'm sorry, but if I come along with you, I might have contradict the effect you desire, because it's me of whom your deed is blind and bloated. If I come along with you, you might be judged harshly. Sorry, but I can't help you in this matter.
How can you do this to me, goods?
I'm with you. The next day, I might be lent to someone else. That's my nature, every man.
I loved you the most of my life, and this is how you treat me? If only I knew your nature early, I would have been carefree about my deeds.
Sorry, but this is a farewell, every man.
Whom shall I ask next? Who will surely help me out of my misery? Is there anyone who is willing to help me? I think for now I should go to my good deeds. But she is so weak. Where are you, my good deeds?
I am right here, but because of your negligence, I am so weak I can't even stir.
I am so scared, good deeds. What should I do?
I'm sorry, but there's nothing much I can do. I cannot even stand because of all the years you did nothing but be good friends with goods and riches. I want to help you, but I can't right now. But perhaps my sister might help you. I will talk with knowledge. I will go with you, every man, and guide you. Let's go and talk with confession. We shall find him in church.
Now, knowledge. I am so happy now, knowledge. Help me, confession. I have come to you to help me grant mercy. Tell me what I have to do and I will do it. I am ready to take pilgrimage, so help me out.
I know your sorrows, every man. I will give you the jewel called penance. They will help you when you go in front of the majesty. Knowledge will come along to help you find your way, and good deed will come accompany you once you finish your pilgrimage. Ask God mercy and He will grant you truly. The oil of forgiveness then shall He find.
Thank you so much, confession. Now I will begin my journey with penance.
Now I will tell you how to clean your account of deeds. Since you are ready to complete your pilgrimage, you are ready to go in front of Heavenly King. I am so happy now that I can walk. Every man, now I can come along with you on your journey.
Thank you so much, knowledge. I hope God now listens to my prayers and forgive this descendant of Adam. Mary, ask your son to forgive me and help me save my soul. Knowledge, give me the scourge of penance and I will begin my journey if God give me grace.
Thank you, God. Now I can walk and run. But every man, you will need 3 people of great might, discretion, strength, and beauty, and also 5 wits.
Where shall I get them?
Call them together and they'll arrive together. Here we are at your service. What should we do? Go with every man on his pilgrimage, and will you go with him? We will be there to comfort and help him.
I am so grateful for your company, strength, discretion, beauty, and 5 wits. I am grateful to you.
I will stand with you in your distress when you are wounded on the battleground. I will not abandon you either, every man. Every man, go to the priest, and he will receive you with very well wishes. He will put the holy sacrament and ointment. No emperor, king, duke, or baron is above priest as long as you are on earth. Good priests are always above anyone else. So go to them, and they will help you further on your journey.
I have received the sacrament for my redemption. I am so grateful to you all for coming on this journey, and I ask God to guide us ahead.
Every man, we will not come from here on. I will also take my leave. I will not abandon you, every man. I will be with you just how I was always with Judas Macbeth.
I feel like I might faint. My body is going weak. Friends, let us not say our farewell yet. I think it's time. I have to turn myself to earth.
What? Into the grave? I will take my leave as well, every man.
Why, Beauty? Where will you go?
Peace. I cannot hear anything. Even if you give me all the gold from your chest, I will not sleep in the grave.
Where will I go now? Everyone has said their goodbyes.
I will take my leave as well. I do not like this game. I as well not stay with you even if you cry out loud. You are nothing but a fool to complain about us leaving. I will second whatever Strength had said. Yes, when Strength leaves, so shall I tail them.
Not you as well, Discretion. You cannot do this to me as well.
I am sorry, but this is my farewell.
What should I do now? Strength, Discretion and Beauty has left me. What should I do now?
Every man, I will take my leave as well. I hope we help you enough on this journey. I will no longer wait. Farewell.
Heavenly King, help me.
Every man, I will not abandon you. I will come with you and stand with you in front of the Heavenly King.
Thank you, good deeds. You are my true friend. I loved others more than I did to you. Yet here you are, willing to accompany me on my journey.
All earthly things are nothing but vanity. No one will accompany you when it comes to take the final journey except your good deeds. So spend your life wisely and never neglect nor ignore to do good deeds. I think I hear angels sing a great joy and melody. Every man's soul must have been received well.
This memory all men may have in mind. Ye hearers, take it of words old and young, and forsake pride, for he deceives you in the end. And remember, beauty, five-wit, strength, and discretion, they all at last do every man forsake. Save his good deeds, there doth take, but beware for, and they be small. Before God he hath no help at all, none excuse may be there for every man. Alas, how shall he do then? For after death amends may no man make. For then mercy and pity doth whom forsake. If his reckoning be not clear when he doth come, God will say in ignem aeternum, and he that hath his account whole and sound, high in heaven he shall be crowned, unto which place God brings us all thither, that we may live body and soul together, there to help the Trinity. Amen, say ye, for sent child.